Hi everybody, DollarTreeTricia, and have I got a haul for you. I mean, a haul. I went to 4 different Dollar Trees in my town today, and I found amazing things. You're just going to go, and I say run, don't walk to your Dollar Tree, run, because this stuff will sell out fast. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm happy you're here. If you all like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you want to be notified when I do a video, hit the bell and it will let you know every time I load one. But first, before I do my haul, I'm going to show you a craft that I made and show you all the products I used and everything so that you can make it too if you would like. Okay. This is what I made. What I used from the Dollar Tree. I bought the white foam board. I printed off this from the internet. Okay. I used, well, sure. Where's my little box? Oh. I used these Jenga pieces. Well, they're not Jenga. They're tumbling tower blocks that the Dollar Tree has. Okay. I used those. I used Waverly Pumpkin Chalk Paint, not from the Dollar Tree. I got it at Walmart. And I used Waverly Wax Brown. That is also from Walmart. I used Aleene's Tacky Glue. And I used this. And I also bought a red one that had, but it's kind of part that has red leaves like that. I bought one of these and one of those. And I used the sunflowers from the Dollar Tree. And this stick, this is also from the Dollar Tree. This. And what I did, this rose I made out of paper. I had it, I make them ahead of time and I just have them whenever, so those are just in my stash. But I took the Jenga pieces and painted them orange. These haven't been painted. I mean, these have been painted orange. They haven't been waxed yet. Then what you do is you take your wax, this wax, and I use a dry paintbrush to do it. And you dip it in there, and then you just mark on it with the stain, the wax. And then what you do after you get them, all your pieces with the wax, I have this little bottle that I got from Dollar Tree. It comes with 2 other ones, but this one is the only spray one. Then what you do is you take a paper towel and you either spray your paper towel or you can also lightly spray the wood. And then you take your paper towel and you mush it around and it spreads the wax around so it looks weathered. Oops. Sorry about that, but see how it's brown and looks weathered. So that's all you do. And then I printed this, glued it to the white foam board, the big white piece that you get. And I printed this on white paper and I didn't like it so white. I had an ink pad, a brown ink pad, and I took another dry brush. And what I did was I dipped it in I rubbed it on my ink pad, and then I just, until I thought it looked right. So this is going to be a gift. I'm going to a retreat September 10th, and for each of the girls that are there, I'm making each one of them one of these. So that's a quick, well, I wouldn't say it's not time, it's not, the longest part is painting the pieces, but they dry really fast and it's all good. So, if you wanted to make that, there you go. Okay, now I'm going to show you my haul. My haul. And I'm going to start with these. It's Premier Protein, and it's caramel. It has 30 grams of protein and only 1 gram of sugar. I bought 3 of these because I want to take them with me on the retreat, because sometimes I get snacky, but I don't really want to have a lot of sugary things, so I can drink one of these. And I feel like I'm getting something special because it's caramel. Alright. The next thing, I'll show you the boring stuff first. I got these 3.89 full ounce glitter glues. I got the silver, isn't that pretty? And then I got the clear. It looks like icicles, I think, because I'm going to use it on, when I'm doing snowflakes and stuff, I want to zhuzh it up and make it blingy. So that's what I use. Okay, then, actually, I'll do fall first. I found these cute little towels that say gather. Love, love, love them. They also had, on the other, ours are on the table, and on one side it had all this gather stuff, and on the other side it had these leaves. I love that they're putting that teal color in with everything. I just love that. So I got one of those as well. Had to get me a handy dandy hot pad. And then I got these two, or I'm sorry, oven mitt, not a hot pad, oven mitt. Oh, you, my followers who have been with me a while, you know, it's just how it is. Anyway, these are your pot holders, so I got those. Then they had these cute, cute, cute placemats, and I ended up getting 4 for my table, and I got 3 extra because I'm going to make this into a pillow, and it's not hard. You just do a little slit on the back of here with your X-Acto knife, and you get your poly film or whatever you put in for to make your pillow poofy, and then you hot glue it. And then if you want, I mean, you try to cut it as close to the seam as you can, but if you don't like that, you can put a piece of ribbon around the back of it if you want. But I thought these were super cute, so I got those. Right. Then I found a couple of these white pumpkins, and I'm going to paint them the teal color that I don't have out in front of me, but I'm going to paint it a teal color because I love the teal pumpkins, so that'll go on one of my displays. Then I found this. How cute is this little can? It says Hello Fall. There was only one, and I did grab it. I think it's fantastic. Then I saw these candles. They're pumpkin candles. They had orange ones, they had these teal colored ones, and they had white ones. So I bought 2 of these teal ones and 1 white one, and I'm going to do a little display in my bathroom. So I think that'll be super cute. And I think these are by Greenbrier. They're not by, they're made by Dollar Tree. Okay. Then I found, finally, these are hard to find. These are the best things, but they're hard to find. It's a sanding sponge. And it's so nice because when you paint over a piece and you want some of the whatever underneath to show or to antique it, these are perfect and they last a long time. I did buy 4 of them because I haven't been able to find them in quite a long time. Now this is funny. I found this eyeshadow, and it's by Flower Beauty. And this one is blue. One is Blue Lagoons. This one is Blue Lagoons, and this one is Foxy Browns. Okay, I love these, but I gotta say, I not very often do I wear eyeshadow. I mean, now with COVID, I don't really wear a lot of makeup. But if I did, I would wear these. I wouldn't wear these. I'm not bold enough to do that. But what I texted my friend Sherry and said, because she knows everything about everything, I said, hey, can you use these instead of chalk on projects? And she was like, yeah. She's like, just make sure that when you get your tip on there, or if you use a Q-tip, to blow it so you get the extra off and it wouldn't smudge around. So these are going in my craft supply. Alright, then I found this super cup. It says blessed. That's really shining in there. Let's do that. Blessed. There you go. And it's got a little bicycle on it. Love, love, love. Got one of those. Then I finally found the Blessed Tumbler. I had bought the coffee, there's a coffee one like this, and I bought that one, and now we have this one. And then, whoops, I'm getting glitter on my... Then I bought the Blessed hot pads. Whoops, hot pads, super cute. And I bought an oven mitt, Blessed. And then I found, these are super cute. Okay. They're chipboard bags that have little handles, and they nest inside each other. This is the big one. Isn't that cute? Super cute. And then they have tinier ones. Okay. Or that's the tiniest one of that. And then there's like, this is like a large, there's a medium, and then the small. So I'm going to put some gifts in those. I bought a lot of them. In fact, I bought all they had. Because I just had to. Then I found it in this. Now, look at, come on, the red truck. This is amazing. Dollar Tree is just doing amazing things with their stuff. So I got the big one. And I got the medium one. And then I got the small one. And what's nice is they all just, for storage, they all just go in like that. But I did buy all they had in these as well. Like I said, we're going to a retreat. I think I might put some of their gifts in here. No, maybe not. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm going to do something with them, or I'm going to just display them because I think they're cute. They're just adorable. All right. And then I found, where are the big, oh, my wood worms. I think I left them out in the hallway. I got these. Super cute. I'm in love with the snowflakes. The stars are cute. The boots are cute. I was like, I can do some, I'll have a craft or make a wreath or something that has them on it. And then I had these. I bought a bunch of these a few weeks ago. I can't find the bag that I put them in. And yes, that's typical Tricia, yes. But I was able to find some more of these, so I was very happy. I had a Mary sign to show you and a peace one. Hang on, I'm going to go out in the hallway here because I think that's where I left them. Yeah. Here they are, here they are. I sat them down and didn't bring them in with me. But these are wood. They're super cute. There's Mary, and it has the little deer with the antlers and stuff. That's super cute. And then they also had this one, oops, that says peace. So I love it, and I think like for my star up here, after I paint this or paper it or whatever, I'll put this glitter glue on it and make it just come alive, come alive. All right, so that is all. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. It's nice and warm here. It's going to be 90 today, I think. Let me look on my weather app. 89 today. Tomorrow it's supposed to be 96. Woo! I've been kind of burrowing myself inside working on crafts, and I need to go sit outside a little bit today because summer will be gone, and I love fall. Fall's my favorite. I love it the most of all, but I need to enjoy some of the sunshine too while we have it. All right, well, that is it. I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye-bye.